Stop guessing who's emotionally available. If you've spent years wondering if someone will finally open up or if you're just wasting your time, this video is for you. Because emotional availability isn't proven through words, labels, or how much someone says they like you. It's revealed through behavior in small moments over time. Today, I'm going to show you how to safely test emotional availability in early dating without playing games, oversharing, or putting your heart on the line too fast. A lot of people think testing emotional availability means having deep conversations right away, or asking heavy questions early. But secure dating isn't about interrogation. It's about observation. You're watching how someone responds to normal, human moments. Here's the first safe test: light vulnerability. Share something small but real. For example, I had a stressful day at work today. Notice what happens. Emotionally available responses sound like, "That makes sense. Do you want to talk about it? I'm sorry that happened." Emotionally unavailable responses often look like changing the subject, minimizing, joking it away, or offering solutions without empathy. You're not looking for perfection. You're looking for responsiveness. Second test, needs and preferences. Say something simple like, "I prefer to plan ahead," or "I like consistent communication." Notice, do they dismiss it? Do they respect it? Do they try to meet you halfway? Emotionally available people don't see needs as burdens. They see them as information. Third test, boundaries. Try something small. "I'm not free tonight, but I am tomorrow." Or, "I'm not comfortable with that yet." Watch how they respond. Healthy responses, "No problem. Thanks for telling me." Unhealthy responses, guilt, pressure, pouting, disappearing. Boundaries reveal capacity quickly. Fourth test, repair. Notice what happens when there's a small misunderstanding. Do they acknowledge it? Can they talk about it? Do they take responsibility? You don't need big conflict to test this. You're watching for willingness. Here's an important reframe. You're not trying to make someone pass your test. You're gathering information. Secure dating is curious, not anxious, not performative, not controlling. Curious. If someone consistently responds with empathy, consistency, respect, and accountability, that's emotional availability. If someone consistently avoids, deflects, minimizes, or disappears, that's information too. You don't need to prove your worth. You don't need to earn availability. You simply observe who has it. In the next video, we're going to talk about pacing and why going slow is one of the most protective things you can do when building secure connection. Subscribe for the Dating from Secure, Life After Attachment Healing series, where we replace guessing with discernment. Join us as we build relationship capacity together.